Hi, my name's Natalie. Welcome to Fitfully Vintage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create not one but two really cute rockabilly hairstyles. Don't forget to subscribe. Please click that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. So we've got a couple of really classic rockabilly pin-up looks here with a little bit of a twist, and if you stick around I'm going to show you the most amazing product that I've seen in a long while. So I'm just sectioning off the front part of my hair now. Because we're going to do a big old bumper bang, you want to get quite a lot of the front of your hair sectioned off. I've just put the rest of my hair in a ponytail so it doesn't get in the way. Now I've taken a huge bun donut from the pound shop, a really squishy one. It's not one of the really hard firm ones, but it's really loose knit, and I've used hair bands made out of a pair of tights. They're also very loose and don't snag your hair, to make it into a sausage shape, and I'm then rolling that up into that front section of my hair. When I get to the top, the base of my hair, or my hairline, I'm trying to hold that bun donut in a U shape, and I'm securing with maybe 3 bobby pins each side to try and keep that smiling kind of slightly upward turning shape. You can smooch it all around and kind of try and get it into the shape that you want it to, pinning as you go. Now it's quite tricky to get the side bits of that donut covered, as you can see, but I'll show you something that covers it in a moment. I'm just tonging my hair with a 1-inch tong all the way around, just for a slight, oh look who that is, someone coming in and going out again, always liking to get in on the vids since he was a baby. So I've just curled all the way around, so 1 inch, so it's a nice, just a little wave, nothing too formal, no tight pin curls, although 100% this will look gorgeous with pin curls, but with this kind of just tonged wave there's no brushing out necessary. And kind of flattening back the hair behind my ear and bobby pinning, and then putting flowers on the side of this bumper bang. Now it does a fantastic job of covering up that bun donut if you haven't managed to secure a decent U shape. And you can see now that I'm like, oh no, hold on, I can still see that bun donut. So I move the flower more forward over the sides of the bun donut, and it gives a more, dare I say, edgier look. Now look here, this is the product I've been talking about, the pin frisker. I'm going to link it down below. For a thick-haired girl or someone who is styling their hair regularly, you will understand the issues we have with bobby pins. Oh my goodness, sometimes I find bobby pins in my hair literally a week after I've used them, and this stops all of that. It's a really super strong magnet that finds all bobby pins and pulls them gently from your hair. You can just check which way the bobby pin is facing before you pull it out. I found that works really well. But also it kind of identifies and finds bobby pins that you might not even know are in there. The magnet is really strong. Look how easy it kind of just whips them out there. Whoop! Just pull it straight out. And give, obviously this was wedged into that bun donut to secure the hairstyle, and the pin frisker has no problem just finding that bobby pin and a bit of a wiggle, and it just comes right on out, undoing my updo. Yep, there we go, pulled the whole thing out just with the pin frisker. Pretty amazing. It's a really strong magnet. Obviously you need to be careful, don't get it near your phone or any kind of magnetic items. You can also use the frisker, as I'm doing now, just to check that I've got no more bobby pins left in my style, because it would 100% find them. It's a fantastic little product. I would never advertise anything that I didn't think was brilliant. So I really appreciate receiving this. Thank you ever so much, Brie. And please, if you're interested in the bobby pin frisker, then check Brie's website out, link down below. Brilliant one-woman independent business. Let's support her. Okay, second hairstyle. It's becoming a bit of a modern classic, the Dita bun, but there are some tips and tricks that I have that will make it look better. If you've had problems with this style previously and it just looks like something plopped on the top of your head, then I know why, and I can help you. Okay, the problem is, I think some of the time our bun is too small. You're scared to go big when it's right on the front of your head, but don't worry, use a large bun form or bun donut to make this bun. Also, when you're securing your ponytail initially, try to do it to the side. Slightly off center is much more flattering than right in the middle of your head. So to either one side or the other, whichever you think suits you most, and really quite towards the front of your head. Don't be scared to have it right on your hairline. It's much more flattering that way. And when you are wrapping your hair around your bun donut, don't do it in like a round motion, in a clockwise or an anti-clockwise motion, so you're getting a slight kind of sweep and movement in the hair, as opposed to rolling it down from the ends just like a normal sock bun. Of course, you're going to be pushing the ends underneath so that you make sure they're not sticking out, but initially a slight sweep just gives a little bit of a more elegant look. Use as many bobby pins as you need all the way around to secure your hairstyle. I literally just go round in a circle, plugging them in as I go, and also I flatten the bun down as I'm pinning as well. And then you want a nice sleek kind of back of the head, so use your L-net and a comb or your finger. Now this also I find sometimes there's just a huge expanse of head when people are wearing a Dita bun, and I find that covering it in flowers really disguises that. Not that you need to disguise the back of your head, but sometimes there's just quite a lot of hair going on, and if you cover it with flowers, it just looks, I just think it looks so pretty. It just makes that little simple style really something else. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked the videos. Make sure you click the like button if you did. Comment in the comment section down below. Do you prefer these full-on rockabilly hairstyles or a more classic look? Rockabilly, classic pin-up, which one are you? Tell me down there. Thank you again for watching. Bye.